How to add personal dictionary on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Language and Input. And go to Keyboard section. Here you can see this on-screen keyboard. Tap this and go to Gboard. In Gboard settings, go to Dictionary. And now here you can see the personal dictionary. Tap this. And the personal dictionary is English only. To add personal dictionary, okay, tap the English and tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can type a word and shortcut. For my example, Chad. For this word shortcut is C. And after that, tap the check on the keyboard. And we have successfully add the personal dictionary on my Tecno mobile phone. So if you want to remove this dictionary, tap the dictionary and tap the delete icon on the upper right side on the screen to remove or delete this personal dictionary.